In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add Instagram link to Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off we need to copy Instagram profile link. To do that, I'm gonna open up Instagram app, and then we need to go to our profile, then tap Add to Share Profile, and then tap Add Copy Link. What that will do, that will immediately copy your Instagram profile link to the clipboard, and now we can hop out Instagram and open up Facebook. After that, tap right here at your profile picture to go to your profile page, and then tap at Edit Profile. Then scroll down until you find the links, hit Add Edit, and that's where you can add any link to your another social media platform. To add Instagram link, tap at Add Social Link, then select platform. I'm gonna choose Instagram. And then we need to tap our username. Here we can just hit add paste, and then we need to delete everything except our Instagram username, just like that. And once you've done with that, we can hit add done and then save. That will add your Instagram profile link to your Facebook profile, and then if we go to our profile, we can see that Instagram profile link is now showing here. That's how you can easily add Instagram link to Facebook profile. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.